My name is Leon Talley. I'm the field service supervisor. Just kind of want to go over a job that we did for a recent customer. The Knoxville homeowner was dealing with water intrusion around the foundation of their home, sagging floors that were beginning to affect the structure above. Because of the way the space was built, including several narrow dirt floor areas tucked above the block walls, we had to approach this project as both a basement and a crawl space repair. And we knew right away it was going to take careful planning to fully waterproof and stabilize the space. We started from the ground up by addressing the floor support system. For homeowners, signs like bouncing floors, gaps around them, or doors and windows becoming difficult to open and close can all point to weakening support beneath the home. Once the structural support was complete, we shifted our focus to the waterproofing system. To begin preparing for drainage, our crew jackhammered around the perimeter of the basement floor to create a channel for our water guard drainage system. We also excavated areas for the sump pump systems and drilled relief holes at the base of the block walls. Those openings allowed trapped water inside the walls to drain down into the water guard system instead of building pressure behind the foundation. From there, all collected water is directed toward the sump pump system, where it can then be safely pumped away from the home. And one thing we always pay attention to is cleanliness. At the end of the day, we want homeowners to feel like we left the space better than we found it, not just by solving the problem, by taking pride in every detail along the way.